Colorado living at its best. Custom rancher on 0.67-acre lot with mature trees. Dramatic covered entrance with that Colorado feel welcomes you home. Spacious foyer with hardwood and tile flooring welcomes all who enter. Formal dining room with tray ceiling, chair rail and warm wood floors is perfect for entertaining family and friends. Dining room flows into this gorgeous kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite counters, knotty altar cabinets, pantry and gas range. Beautiful kitchen with everything the chef of your house will appreciate. The kitchen includes a gas cooktop and wall oven microwave. Informal dining at the counter bar and in the alcove are great for family meals. Picture yourself cooking and baking in this lovely kitchen with so much counter space and storage. You'll love the gas cooktop. Counter bar provides informal seating to grab a bite. The informal dining nook is naturally light and allows a view of the beautiful backyard. The mud, laundry room adjacent to the kitchen provides lots of storage and a utility sink. Access to the garage is at the end of the hallway. The spacious great room is open to the kitchen, which is wonderful for family gatherings. The dramatic wall of windows allows natural light to flood the great room and also provides an expansive view of the majestic trees. The stone gas fireplace is the focal point of the great room. This room definitely says Colorado. Great Trex patio is perfect for all of your outdoor entertaining. Enjoy serenity among the trees in your own backyard. Your family and pets will really enjoy this great backyard off the beautiful deck. Main level powder room is conveniently located off the foyer. Spacious main level office includes French doors and a ceiling fan. Main level master bedroom is expansive with several windows to let the sunshine in. Master bedroom grants access to an attached 5-piece bath. Master bath has a generous double vanity and tile floors. Enjoy the large walk-in shower and soaker tub.